guys, it's Big Ben Motor Vlogs here. How's everybody doing? So it's been a little while, well, pretty much nearly exactly a month since I last did a video. So I kind of ended up on the Black Mountain confirmation video. Seemed like everybody enjoyed it, but sorry I haven't been around. I have been riding, obviously riding back and forth to work. Haven't done that many miles in kind of like the last couple of months or so. Haven't really done much at all, just due to this kind of awful weather. It's like sun's out, it can be 9 degrees some day, and the roads are just constantly wet, so they're not the nicest like. And it's cold, windy, it's raining tomorrow. I'm like, oh, I want to go out somewhere tomorrow on the bike, like, but no rain. But yeah, I kind of, it's not only the reason of the weather wise, as they always kind of blame it on the weather. Kind of the other reason as well is that I couldn't really be asked to. I am sorry. But I just really could not be asked to do videos. And I am sorry, but that's kind of been what I've been feeling recently. As soon as the nice weather comes back, sort of like, what should we say, February, March time, and the sun starts coming out, starts to warm up a little bit, starts to come into spring, I'll be out doing proper videos again then, because planning on to do the reviews this year again, because they got the new Z900 out. The Z900 RS, sorry, that's out, but I don't think they got the demo of it yet though. When I went up to M&P's the other day, Mike, who obviously who I speak to about the test rides and stuff, he said, you got your full license now, haven't you? I said, I've always had my full license. That's how I've been got a test riding all these bikes. He said, I don't mind if you want to test ride the new H2 SX that's coming out. I was like, okay. Yeah, I was like, yeah, okay, that seems good to me. But I'll probably wait until a slightly nicer weather to do that. But I do want to do some of the KTMs, the 1290 Duke. I'm going to do the GT, and M&P's actually has the new BMW dealer coming soon as well. So I'm going to try and see if I can get some, hopefully, some test rides on the BMWs also. The bike's good, 2,357 miles. It's probably the littlest I've done. Because it's 6 months old. 1st of January was 6 months. So that's gone really, really quick. And I've only done 2,000 miles. I'm like, what? I have kind of winterized the bike this year. So I got the heated hand grips on, nice 75% at the moment. Lovely. So my hands are nice and toasty. I put a new rear mudguard on. If you follow me on Twitter, I'll put this all up anyway. But I just haven't updated in a video. And I kind of stupidly did something. I kind of cleaned the rear sprocket with a metal brush. How stupid of me was that? Why would I clean the rear sprocket with a metal brush? Come on now, Ben, how stupid can I be? Which caused, I put the picture up now, and of the new one as well, so I got a new rental sprocket on it now. It's got this black in all the way around in the middle bit. All of that's supposed to be that colour, but yeah, it's not, does not like that at all. Yeah, I only wanted to get the salt marks off it, and I didn't really notice until after I'd done it. I thought, oh, I'll be fine now, it's okay. But no, not good at all. It just looked awful, and I'm like, I really cannot stand that. Can you imagine if I cleaned the chain as well with that? Oh my god. So yeah, it didn't look great at all, so I thought, you know what, let's get something good. So I had a look on eBay. These rental sprockets are quite popular on there, official ones. And I thought, right, let's pick one up. And I did it myself. And it looks pretty cool. I'll put another photo up as well. and it does look amazing with the gold, and I put the sticker on it as well. It looks okay, doesn't look too bad. Could be better, but yeah. But not doing a great deal today, as it's quite cold. Don't know what the temperature is. It's probably something like 3 degrees, as you can see by the kind of like the mist or the fog, and the roads that just haven't dried at all. I'm going to go on this side, because this side for some reason is dry, that side's wet, who knows why. Well, what I'm doing, I'm meeting Stu up M&P's just for a little hello, because I haven't seen him in a little while, and it's just nice to meet somebody on your day off. But the last kind of big news is that I'm learning to drive. I know, learning to drive, me. But my insurance has gone a lot cheaper than it used to be, kind of like a few months back, you know? Not a few months, a few years back. Because originally, when I was wanting to learn to drive, my insurance was, oh, it's something like £3,000. Something like £3,000, and I was just like, what? That's just a silly amount, you know? So, and that was for like the lowest possible engine and the cheapest car possible. And then I done the same then about a year and a bit ago, and it was £1.5 grand. I was like, oh, that's getting better. That's getting much better. So I looked just before Christmas, and I thought, I'll have a look at this nice little Mini, because I saw a Mini locally, and it was a little 1.6 Mini one, and the insurance came to 600 quid. It's just like, what? That's really cheap. So I thought, you know what, I'm fed up with these cold months, and it seems every year it seems to be getting colder and colder and colder all the time. Constantly colder. I know, and I know that just by looking at my previous videos that I've done, because I seem to be going a lot more out, like last December and January, a lot more. This year has just been kind of horrible cold, and I thought, let's go and do my car license, is it? So it's got like my New Year's resolution to do my car license. And so far I've had 2 hours lessons, but I've had lessons previous about 6-7 years ago, so that's going good. And I've passed my car theory as well, so pretty much it's just learning and getting on with it really. But I will be getting a dash cam, so I'll probably put in, like, once I pass and stuff like that, I'll probably put up like little dash cam videos and stuff like that, you know, something different for the channel. So hope you guys are excited. But I'm not getting rid of the bike, just to let you know, I'm not getting rid of the bike at all. I am keeping the bike and having a car as well, because it is kind of suiting my budget to have that. But hope you guys are excited. I'm at M&P's now, and like I said, I'm going to meet with Stu today, have a bit of a natter with him, and yeah, I shall talk to you very soon, guys. Take care, bye bye, bye bye.